Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing to you how to use TikTok Top Products tool to find the best performing products. So with that being said, let's head on to your computer browser and go to this website right here. That is ads.tiktok.com/business/creative center/top products/pc/n. Now, if you have entered that to your Google search bar and you're in the page, automatically go to top products. So right here on top products, these are the top products that currently has on your region. So if you want to change region right about here, just click on this section right here, and now you can enter the region that you want or choose the region that you want. Now for this video demonstration, I'm just gonna choose United States. And now on the product categories, make sure to leave this one empty or just click on select all for us to have a lot of products results right about there. And next, make sure under this one, the timeline, make sure to have at least 7 days to give us the best results, or at least to give us a timeline of the best results on our page right now. So as you can see, once you have done that, for example right here, the number one product in the United States right now is the perfume. So the perfume is the top performing product in the United States, and a lot of advertisers sell this one. So for now, the popularity right here is this is the number of ad creatives featuring this product or subcategory. So you have a total number of 2,000 advertisers who are now selling this products right about here. And next is the popularity change. So this is the difference in number of ad creatives featuring this product or subcategory over the period you selected. So as you can see right here, over time, this product right here has changed popularly for around 3%. So I think that is I think that is good. And as you can see right here, cases and phone screens, screen protectors and stickers change over time by around 14%. So I think that's good also. So right now the t-shirts, it has a declining value of popularity change. So it has a negative 10% effect. So just make sure to have a green popularity change right here if you want to see a top performing products right about now. So as you can see right here, the trousers have a 19% popularity change over time for the last 7 days. So imagine for the last 7 days, the cases and screen protectors and the trousers have a ascending value in terms of popularity change. And next is the CTR. This means the click-through rate. So this is the number of times when people see this ad, they will click it. So as you can see, this is the percentage of times people saw the ad and clicked on it. So as you can see right here, we have a bad value for the casual dresses right here. It has a 0.72%. So I think it is very bad, unlike the cases and phone screens, which has a 1.11% of click-through rate. So it's not that bad and it's not that good either. So right here we have under trousers 1.14% of click-through rate. So again, it's not that bad and it's not that good either. But if you have a 2+% click-through rate, I think that is a very good value for now. So let's head straight on to CVR, which is conversion rate. So is the percentage of results achieved out of all the click on the ad based on the ad objective. So for example, what this simply means is once a certain customer or a certain person sees an ad about casual dresses, and she or he will click on that certain ad right about now, and once he or she will buy that certain product, that will be added in the conversion rate. So as you can see right here, based on my personal own experience, gadgets and women's clothing are the best. Has the best conversion rate. So as you can see right here, casual dresses has 7.9 conversion rate. Cases and phone screen protectors have a 9.54 conversion rate. And some t-shirts have the best conversion rates. And as you can see, trousers for women's right here, just like what I said. Next is the necklaces, and of course some accessories, some jewelries also have a very good conversion rate. So just look into that if you will. And the rings, as you can see right here, has 11.56 conversion rate. So next is go to CPA. So this is the cost per action. So this is the average amount of money spent on a conversion. So this is the average amount of money spent on a certain ad. So this is not the total cost of the ad itself, but this is the average cost of ad that the advertisers paid for a certain product. So as you can see, once the conversion rate is lower, the cost per action is, once the conversion rate is higher, as you can see right here, it has 7.09%. The cost per action is lower. So as you can see, it has 7.09%, and the CPA is $23.30. So once the CVR or the conversion rate is lower, the CPA is higher. So make sure to put that analogy into mind. So as you can see right here, I have a higher CVR. My CPA is lower, and right here I have a lower CPR. The CPA is higher. So just make sure to put that into analogy if you want to have, or if you want to pay a certain product ad. And next, we are still not done yet. I'm gonna go to details right here. So for example, I'm gonna go to details under casual dresses, and it will lead you to this creative insight. So it will have a graph right here on the popularity, the CTR, to give us a better understanding on our performance analytics, the CVR right here, and as you can see, it has a graph for CVR right here for us to to compare on the popularity right here, and the CPA right here. You can see, but this is not what I'm trying to teach you or to make you see. What I want you to see is right here, the audience insight. So as you can see, we have the age range on what are the ages that this casual dress product is popular with. So as you can see, this is the approximate percentage of viewers associated with different age ranges. So only available for age ranges above 18 years old. So as you can see right here, around 48% of people or women that ranges from 18 to 24 will always buy these, will always click through these, and and next is the 27%, around 25 to 34 people will click. 25 to 34 years old people will click on this. As you can see, 12% are 35 to 44 years old people, and 8% are 45 to 54 years old, and 5% are 55 plus age right about here. So as you can see, you can actually see this, and this is very helpful for you to know what are the age ranges that a certain product will have a lot of interest with. So as you can see, once I scroll down right here, we also have some related videos for us to see. So just look into that right about now, and these are the related hashtags right here. So right now I'm in perfume. So based on my understanding, a lot of teenagers will actually buy these products like perfume, some clothing, some jewelries, some men's clothing, some gadgets, because we live in an internet era by now, and I think everything is now in the internet. You can sell, you can buy on the internet. So just look into that if you will. And now these are the related topics. So if you want to check that, just click on that. And I think that's about it for this video. So as you can see, this is a very important tool if you are selling, to give you an insight on what you want to sell, and to give you a performance insight, like a performance analytics right here, and some audience insights. And you can actually see the popularity and how it changes over time, and the click-through rate, the conversion rate, and the cost per action. So with that being said, that's it for this video. And if you have some comments, suggestions, or some questions, make sure to put it down below in the comment section, and I'm gonna read and answer those questions as much as I can. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!